This was the individual report.
Good morning to everyone. My name is DOMINIC KIMURA, not metric number BB25110458 from section 2. Are honored to present our corporate communication project titled that Clean and Green Initiative. So, our project focus on the student at SK Petagas, Sekolah Kebangsaan Petagas in the Penampang district, particularly the younger learner at the primary level. We choose this community because we believe that instilling the environment awareness at an early age can create a lasting habit that benefits both school and the society. The main issue that we are identified at student at the SK Petagas, they have a lack proper knowledge about the waste disposal and management. This lead to the unhygienic surrounding, which not only pose a healthy risk but also affect the school reputation. We saw that many opportunity to make a meaningful impact by guiding the student toward a better practice of the environment. Project with a SMART objective. For the SMART that is specific, we raise the awareness among the primary school students about the importance of caring the environment and practice a third R method that we call reduce, reuse, and recycle through the interactive education activity. For the measurable, at least 90 students was participate, and when we expect 70% of them demonstrate the improvement of understanding of the recycling and waste management through the post-program activity and quiz. For achievement, our team of 12 members will be carry out the project using the recycled material and simple education tool to minimize the cost. Each member there has to contribute at least RM30 ringgit to ensure the project is successful. And for relevance, this initiative supports sustainable develop goal 11, that sustainable create society and community, promoting the environment and responsibility with the school community. For time bonds, the project will be complete with the 2 months from November to December 2025, with the final activity conclude by 12 December 2025. Through this initiative, we hope to empower the student at SK Petagas to become more responsibility toward the environments, creating more cleaner environment, healthier and greener school community. Moving to planning and execution, we begin our conducting at an online meeting to brainstorm the ideal. After much discussion, we agreed that the environment awareness, as we feel the both of relevant and impactful for the student at SK Petagas. From there, we delegated this task among our members. Some focus on the proposal writing, while other hand communicating with the school principal and assistant. Other team will prepare for the poster and education material for support our program. Next, we visit the SK Petagas to meet with the school assistant and finalize the preparation. On the day of the program, we carry out environment talk and activity according to the tentative schedule, and we also record the process of the document of our effort and later compile the report and the video to reflect our project outcome. As a vice president of the group project, my main responsibility was to support the president and managing the overall coordination and ensure that each member are understood their tasks. I act as a second leader in the group by helping to plan up the project timeline, monitoring the progress of any issue that across during the preparation stage. And I also handled a communication between the sub-team, such as updating a media team, logistic team, and documentation team to make sure everyone stay aligns with the project goal. On the day of the CSR activity, I assist the organization, guiding the flow of the activity and ensure that our tasks were carried out smoothly and efficiently. I am also the one person that doing the talk about the environment to the SK Petaga student. And in addition, I also help prepare the important materials such as brief notes, meeting summaries, and coordination to decision making during a group discussion. Overall, my role as a vice president ensure that the project remains structured, well coordination, and successful implementation. By throughout the project, I applied the several concept of corporate communication when I use the internal communication when coordinating with my team members through the WhatsApp and Google Meet. And also, I also practice the external communication when engaging with the community representative and volunteer. And I also apply a strategic communication, ensuring that our visual, poster, message were clear, consistent, and aligned with our projects. This combination of communication strategy help us to maintain the professionalism and achieve our objective efficiently. On a challenge and solution, of course, there are no projects without challenge. One of the major challenge that we face on the day of the things is the scheduling or time limitation, as we need to align our program with the school tentative timetable. To overcome this, we just adjust our schedule and stream up the certain activity and conduct a quick poll among the members to select the most sustainable time. Another challenge that we are faced is student behavior, as few students were hyperactive and disruptive during the activity. We address this by giving the gentle reminder, using the positive reinforcement, and keeping the activity engaging, maintaining to their focus. By tackling all these challenges with the flexibility and teamwork, we ensure that our CSR project was carried out successful and left positive impacts on the students and the school community.
This was the evidence of my activities.
And reflection, the Clean and Green initiative at Escape Tagas was successful. The students showed a good response, especially during the environment talk and quiz, where the many of show that they good really understanding of recycle. The activities such as recycle, bottle bowling, and waste separation help them to learn the fun of interactive way. By the end of the program, the students were more confident and sorting the recyclable item and show the better awareness about keeping the environment clean. The school also benefit through improvement, cleanness, new activity, sustainable activity for organization team, and the program help us to improve the communication teamwork and leadership skill. Overall, the program achieved its goal to educating the student and supporting the school and help to developing our personal skill. From this experience, I personally learned that importance of planning, delegation, and time management. I also realized that how vital that clear communication is when it's working as a teams. This lesson will continue to guide me in a future project and personal settings. As for professionalism, I think finally the CSR project can enhance my understanding of professionalism, teamwork, and social responsibility. As for me, professionalism is mean I can be reliable and communicating with efficiently. As teamwork, it's require a mutual support and respect from each other member teams. And the CSR remind us on our duty to contribute to our community and society. Through this initiative, I have grown not only as a student, but also a responsible member at the community. In conclusion, I think the Clean and Green initiative left the lasting impacts on the student, the school, our team, and the community. It was meaningful experience and combined with the learning, collaboration, and social responsibility. That's all for me. Thank you.